Hey guys, it's the Antique and Builder guy. I just got another mower from my grandparents' barn. Automatic transmission. Tires, I need to wash it still, but this is it. I'll pop the hood. That's what it looks like. It's kind of locked up. Front. Stickers kind of come off. Pretty flat. It comes with some extra tires, so I don't have to buy them. Got the deck thing or whatever. This is like to make it go forward and back. And look at that, the battery. That looks pretty rough. But we got the light to start this. Glad it came with the key. That would be bad if it didn't. And yeah, and we got that. Parking brake. The gas. No, that's the gas. That's the brake. But yeah, I'll wash it. I'll keep you guys updated.